Okay, this is a reactive mass calculation, and what I always like to do here is transfer the information that I have into the equation. So it tells me that I want to work out the mass of aluminium, so let's put some question marks underneath here, which is forming from 51 grams of aluminium oxide. So my first job is always to convert the mass into moles, and I'm going to use Mr. Moles triangle over here in order to do that. So my first job is to work out the moles of aluminium oxide, and according to the triangle, the moles is the mass divided by the MR. So the mass of aluminium oxide is 51. The MR, it tells me in the question here, is 102. So let's plug that into my calculator, and that's given me 0.5 moles, okay, of aluminium oxide. My second step, I now deal with the stoichiometry, or the ratio from the equation. So in my equation, there are two lots of aluminium oxide, and they are forming 4 moles of aluminium. Now we've just worked out that we actually have 0.5 moles. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to go from here to here. So it's the same as going from here to here. So if we go from in the top one, this is timesing by 2. To go from 2 to 4 is doubling, so we times by 2. So we do the same down here. We times this by 2, and that's going to give me 1 mole of aluminium. So I now know that I've got 1 mole of aluminium. So what I need to do now is work out the mass of aluminium, because that's what the question requires. So the mass of aluminium, according to the triangle, is Mr times moles. The Mr is for aluminium is 27, and the moles of aluminium is 1. So I've got 1 times 27, which is going to be 27 grams of aluminium.